Declining population of Sumatran orangutans in northern Sumatra, Indonesia, a project that highlights how human decisions are driving a species towards extinction, and why it's urgent that we change how we manage and protect these environments. A species on the brink. The rapid decline of Sumatran orangutans is a pressing issue in northern Sumatra. These great apes are now critically endangered, with fewer than 14,000 individuals left in the wild, according to a 2016 population survey. My project explores how human activities such as deforestation, illegal logging, palm oil development, and farming are destroying their rainforest habitat. As a result, orangutans are losing their food, shelter, and the space they need to survive. This isn't just about one animal, it's about an entire ecosystem. Orangutans play a key role in forest health through seed dispersal and tree regeneration, so their decline affects biodiversity, forest resilience, and even climate stability. This map shows how Sumatra's natural forest cover has drastically declined between 1985 and 2009, losing nearly half, about 12.5 million hectares. The green areas are remaining forests, while the red areas show cleared land. This massive loss is devastating for Sumatran orangutans, as it destroys their habitat and isolates populations, increasing risks like inbreeding and human conflict. Understanding this urgent deforestation highlights why immediate conservation efforts are critical. Through my research, I've learned that Sumatran orangutans are critically endangered, mainly due to human actions. One of the biggest causes is deforestation for palm oil plantations, which destroys their homes and forces them into tiny, isolated forest patches. This not only limits their access to food and shelter, but makes them more vulnerable to poaching and the illegal pet trade. My research highlighted that orangutans play a critical role in keeping the forest healthy. They spread seeds and support biodiversity. If they disappear, the forest loses its ability to regenerate, which also affects carbon storage and makes their climate change worse. Their extinction would also hurt local economies and communities that depend on forest-based industries, like ecotourism. So having the orangutans means protecting much more than just one species. I also discovered that conservation groups, such as these 4 organizations, are working hard to rescue and rehabilitate displaced orangutans, and some protected areas have seen positive outcomes. Collaboration of these 4 groups is vital for the Sumatran orangutan survival, but overall, we're still losing habitat faster than we can protect it, especially outside these zones. So why does this matter to you? As I stated, the Sumatran orangutans play a critical role in keeping rainforests healthy, and without them, we risk ecosystem collapse, fewer species, more carbon emissions, and damaged environments. These forests are also essential for climate regulation and support for the livelihood of local communities. If nothing changes, they may not survive the next 500 years. So what can we do to actually help save the Sumatran orangutan? First, we can make smarter everyday choices like choosing products with RSPO certified palm oil and cutting back on meat to ease deforestation. Even just sharing posts or signing petitions to help raise awareness. In our communities, we can support businesses that care about conservation, run school wildlife programs, or organize fundraisers for groups like SOCP that rescue and protect orangutans. On a bigger scale, organizations like the Lausa Ecosystem Alliance and UN RED are restoring forests and protecting orangutan habitats across Indonesia. Every action, big or small, helps.